was motivated by my sister, who is commerce graduate, to become a successful businesswoman. Although I was not able to reach my dream as a successful businesswoman and a bank teller, I am grateful to say that I am satisfied in the God-given career that I have. For me, being an honest municipal revenue collection officer in this municipality is more than the career that I have chosen.
Wow, that's marvelous. You know, Mary Magdalene, I'm very